anytime we talk about cigarette taxes here in Illinois, you always hear from folks who are near a border.
Right, and that's my district issue for years. And you've got to remember, whether you're in Danville or whether you're in Carbondale and Ware and Chester, the problem that exists is not only the issue that cigarette tax, but alcohol taxes, our fuel taxes, the local community stores. The convenience stores, you're seeing them close down along the borders, and the reason being is because people will travel across the river and or border to pick up those products. Cigarette tax, if you increase it, it'll just continue to move that line further and further in, and our sales go down. Our sales go down, and when they go across to either pick up cigarettes or gasoline or alcohol, why they're there, they might as well shop for other items, and it ends up costing us in the long run. We need to get away from these type taxation. Let's go ahead and make sure that we're on line with the states around us, and then we can actually do what we need to do, which is encourage new business growth.
We drive down to Florida twice a year. We drive straight through southern Illinois, jump right over, and I make sure that I don't gas up till I get to Paducah.
And one of the best examples of that is if you know where McBride, Missouri is, which is just across the river from Chester. Now, there you have 2 convenience stores. It's the only thing that is located there. And why? Because they can sell all of those items. And what's really wild is who they sell those items to. Most of the Menard employees. I don't blame them. That's where they go. They can shoot 2 miles across the bridge, get fuel, get their cigarettes, get their alcohol, and they do it for a lot cheaper price.
What are the chances of this in the House? We've seen cigarette tax. We've seen
every time I turn around, I swear that this isn't going to pass. But every time I turn around too, they pass a higher tax on cigarettes or on alcohol or on fuel.
The president's framing this as a tax to help the statewide construction. That it's not another tax like the income tax to go to the budget. This will go to build roads.
Well, here's the problem. If you go down that path, they actually go out and spend this money based on the fact that they're going to generate that much revenue. And then they find out they don't generate that much revenue because people leave the state to make those purchases.